Yo, what is up, YouTube? So y'all might as well just look at the screen at the bottom left right now. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe, and share this video. And check out these words up here at the upper right. Yeah, I'm gonna drop some info and drop some game on y'all, and this will help y'all out a lot with y'all investing journey through any investment or through any business plan or through any passion or goal. This work with any passion or goal. First, you need to have a journal. The reason you want to have a journal with stock investing is because in stock trading is because not every trade and every investment won't be a win. But if you create a journal, you'll be able to log and track and understand why did you lose and why did you win. And if you understand why did you win, you can continue to repeat that. And if you understand why you lost, you can stop that. So in the long run, you'll kind of have a 99.9% chance of winning because you done dimmed down each way to lose and you dimmed up each way to win. Also, you can write down your emotions and understand how you felt as you traded. So a lot of times people don't look at the psychological factor that trading takes. But if you write that down in your journal, you'll be able to understand how you feel. Uh, Same thing with any other passion, like with working out. Hey, write down in your journal, hey, this is the hardest I worked out today. This is what I did. This is how I felt afterwards. Hey, keep that journal. Just write anything down in that journal. I keep a journal on me right here all times, every day, no matter what. The next is have a stop loss or something to protect your capital. So with real estate investing, you'll have something to protect your capital. I don't really know. I don't do that. But with stocks, you could just see my video on, hold up, man. All right, but back to the stocks part. With stocks, your stop loss for stocks mean a certain percentage. If you're down by, you'll get out. So if you're down by 20%, 10%, you'll sell out your position. So that way, you risking a small amount of your capital, like 20%, 10%, to make a bigger gain in that. So a stop loss is like a protective thing. Y'all see my video from Monday. Just watch that if you want to learn more about stop loss. Goal, you must have a goal. Like everything in life comes with a goal. Like what is your purpose? What is your reason? What is your reasoning behind it? The stronger your goal is and the more reasons behind it, the more you'll strive for it. So like if you have more reasons towards this thing, you'll strive for it more. So with stocks, a goal would be I want to be a day trader, swing trader, long-term investor. I want to make 1,000 a month, $50 a day. You know what I'm saying? Create you a goal so you'll have something to shoot for. So you're not just freestyling and freeballing. You feel me? Mental mindset. Mental mindset is very important because with the investing, it all starts with the mindset. If you ain't have a mindset shift before you started investing, then it's gonna be a rough time. I know for me and a lot of other people, like soon as we start getting on the business side of the mindset, it's just a mindset shift for us. Like we think differently, we see money differently, we see jobs differently, we see all of it. Like right before I started my entrepreneur journey, I read Rich Dad Poor Dad, and that was my mental mindset. But yeah, psychology plays a big role with investing, with any investment, because hey, you finna risk 500 grand on the house. You feel me? That's a big old psychological factor that you're gonna have to deal with. Same way with stocks, man. You just lost 40% of your capital because you took four losses in a row. Some you have to deal with. Knowledge, you're never done learning with your investment journey. The more you learn about your investment journey, the more you earn, basically. So the more you learn about stocks, the more strategies you learn, the more different ways you learn how the market move, the more money you can make. So whatever you're doing in life, continue to further your knowledge on that, whatever your passion is. So these are steps of an elite passion chaser. Like all of these steps are for people who want to chase their passion. You must have a journal no matter your passion. You must understand the capital and the losses you have involved with your passion that you're going after. You must understand the goal of your passion. Like what is the reason of you doing this? You must have a mental mindset for that passion and you must continue to build knowledge on that passion. So yeah, that's those are the one, two, three, four, five things, steps of an elite passion chaser or dedicated individual. Yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Like and subscribe. See y'all in the next video.